Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited because I have April 2019's invitation for the Look for Less challenge. First, I want to thank everyone who participated last month. It was the best Look for Less challenge so far with almost 50 submissions. So thank you all so much for participating. If you are new here, the Look for Less challenge is a monthly challenge that I host every single month with a different co-host. Now, this month's co-host is Lindsey from Domer Home. I've known Lindsey since I started becoming serious about YouTube. She has a beautiful little girl and she shares beautiful home decorating and organization on an extreme budget. The stuff that she does with minimal money will blow you away. From extreme room makeovers to simple and beautiful DIYs, she will take you from beginning to end. She also hosts a seasonal challenge. That's a floral DIY challenge that you guys should definitely check out as well. Make sure you visit Lindsey's channel as soon as you're done with this invitation. I'm sure you will love her as much as I do. Okay, so now to the challenge. We ask you to find a piece of home decor that is out of your budget, and we ask you to recreate it for less. If you want to participate, here are the rules. Rule number 1, you have 2 weeks to complete the challenge. That means April 18th, 2 weeks from today at 6 a.m. Eastern Time, your projects are due. Rule number 2, you have to mention the hosts. That's myself, Yami at the Latina Next Door, and Lindsey at Domer Home. Make sure you include a link in your description box to our channels, as well as share the playlist link so that everybody who joins can add their videos. Of course, if you are not a YouTuber, you can still join us. And if you would like to share your projects, make sure you follow me and Lindsey over on our Instagram pages. I'll make sure to link to them below and tag us with your photos. Rule number 3, it has to be a home decor piece. From artwork to a wreath, lamp, furniture, or a candlestick. That one is up to you. Rule number 4, and perhaps the most important rule, we want to see your finished product alongside your inspiration piece because we want to see how well you did and how much you saved. And that is it. Make sure you have your projects completed at 6 a.m. Eastern Time, April 18th. I can't wait to see what you guys create. Don't forget to visit Lindsey at her channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios.